There are 11 AI tools that people just can't live without, and those who use them are 3 steps ahead in their digital journey. But wait, there's more. At the end of this video, I've got a surprise bonus round with 6 fun and useful AI tools that will blow your mind.
Artificial intelligence. We're going to take a look this week at how this technology is going to affect work.
Right off the bat, we have a heavy hitter in number 11, Perplexity AI. This AI company is challenging Google with its AI-driven search engine. Perplexity AI has created a search engine that works like a chatbot, letting users ask questions and receive answers in everyday language. Instead of just feeding you answers, what makes this so great is that it gives you a summary of everything you need alongside the sources of its information. Even more interesting is how this company burst into the scene, raising about $520 million in about 2 years of operation.
Perplexity is an AI-powered conversational answer engine. It's not a search engine. So you ask a query, you ask a question, it just directly gives you the answer. The main difference from other chatbots like ChatGPT is that you always get the sources. So it only says what exists on the web already, and it clearly tells the user where every part of the answer, where is it coming from on the web.
Up next is a pretty popular tool, Grammarly AI. You may have already heard about Grammarly AI, but did you know that it was the 3rd most used AI tool over the last year? In fact, among US knowledge workers, it is the 2nd most used AI tool. This tool offers assistance and coaching to improve the writing of over 30 million users.
Marley Stevens says after submitting a paper,
I had Grammarly installed in my web browser, but I've only ever had the free version of it. So all it did was fix my punctuation and my spelling.
Number 9 is Character AI. This is another tool that made it into the top 5 most used AI tools of the last year. The goal is pretty simple: create AI characters and speak with them like you would with any other person. These characters can range from great figures from history to fictional characters or characters that you create yourself.
You have a history and a story in the development of AI. But Character AI is a pretty simple tool.
If you like this tool, then you are absolutely going to love my bonus section at the end with some similar but even better tools. Number 8 is a tool that students love, Course Hero. These guys designed an AI homework assistant. All you have to do is upload the document, and the AI will read through it and give detailed answers and explanations to the questions in the doc. It also adds other materials that may be useful for better understanding. Number 7 is GPT. This is a very important tool if you are trying to ensure that content does not sound like it is written by AI. Whether you're reviewing content that's been sent to you or need to examine your AI-generated content for necessary edits, GPT is here to help. Number 6, Turnitin. Turnitin has access to a very large database of research papers, articles, websites, and other student works. It utilizes this vast amount of data to check your assignment when you submit it. The AI tool assists in detecting plagiarism, incorrect citations, and other errors. As expected, they've also recently included an AI checker in their list of vetting tools.
I've always been obsessed with the idea that tools and invention are going to make us more capable as a species, and that's been the history of human civilization.
But have you heard about Brainly? They call it an AI learning companion, and I couldn't agree more. This is probably the most robust of all the learning tools we have discussed so far. From its ability to let you scan a math problem to 24/7 access to AI tutors and human experts, this tool offers almost everything you need. A special feature that you will love here is when you need to take a test. You tell the AI what test you want to prepare for, and it will generate practice questions to help you.
So what happens when your kids come to you for help? Well, in today's Aid on Your Side, we've got another tool to add to your arsenal that brings other students into the equation.
Number 5 is by one of the biggest tech companies in the world, and it is Adobe Firefly. This is a generative AI tool that is designed for creative workers. Whether you are trying to create something from scratch or you need to reimagine an already completed project, Firefly makes it easy to do. With simple text prompts, you can generate images, edit images, create unique text effects, and more. Number 4 is Replit. Text to image is undoubtedly pretty cool, but text to code, that is just the next level, and Replit offers that. You can design software by telling this AI the exact thing you need the code for and get answers. AI has constantly improved on what we can do with natural language, and this is a welcome addition to the list. Number 3 is Elsa. Now, this has nothing to do with your favorite animated ice princess. Rather, it is an English pronunciation tutor. The AI model has been trained with English speakers from a wide range of backgrounds to help accurately detect speech patterns and develop the best system for coaching. This is a really fun way to work on your English if it is something you have struggled with. Number 2 is a tool that corporate workers would greatly appreciate: Otter AI. Nearly everyone in a corporate job has experienced the dreaded feeling of losing focus during lengthy virtual meetings and missing crucial points. Well, Otter is here to make sure that never happens again. Instead of you struggling to keep up with everything and falling short, Otter will produce a transcript of the meeting and create a condensed version that summarizes the key points. It also creates action bullet points based on the transcript that it generated. What I think is the best feature here is that if you have any questions regarding the meeting, you can chat with the AI and it will draw answers from the transcript.
It's real-time audio transcription, organized like notes, so you can search through the text of every conversation that you've had, which is just mind-blowing. Otter.ai.
Now, if you enjoy learning about the past, then you will love our number 1 pick, MyLens AI. MyLens is a pretty interesting AI tool that allows you to take a peek into any historical event by showing you a breakdown of all the little and big details that led up to the present. For example, you can search for the history of YouTube, and it will show you a timeline of all the milestone events from the start to date.
And it'll start creating a timeline for you of YouTube's entire history.
Did you know Gangnam Style was the first video to hit 1 billion views on YouTube? Pretty interesting. All right, now to the bonus round. Number 6, Vozard. Vozard will help you sound like anyone you want. Favorite celebrity, fictional character, SpongeBob, Darth Vader, or even Joe Biden. Vozard has got you. This tool offers you access to a library of more than 150 voice effects. My favorite thing about this tool is that you get the option of hearing your voice change in real time. Number 5 is Room AI. This one is just about everything you need when you are trying to redesign your space. The first step is to either upload or take a photo of the room. Once the photo is up, you can select from a wide range of styles and colors, and the AI will give you a visual representation of exactly how your room will look at the end. Number 4, HeyGen. This AI tool will take a video that you have already made and translate it to another language. And this is not just an audio dub. It alters the movement of your lips to match what is being said in the new language. What if you could produce instrumentals without any knowledge of how to play instruments? Well, that is number 3, Musicfy. Just select the instrument you want and record a voice note of the notes you want to be played, and it will transform your voice into a musical instrument. Number 2 is ClipDrop. This is a really fun one that allows you to put your face on literally any photo of your choice. The AI is designed to work with your facial structure and the style of the reference photo to get as close as possible to the original. You can do this with literally any photo. Number 1, MissGIF. If you ever wanted to have your face on your favorite GIF, this website allows you to do just that. Select a GIF or search for the one you want. Upload an image, and it will swap out the faces in the GIF in a few seconds. Try out these tools and let me know which of them you found coolest in the comment section. If you would like to see more cool AI tools like this, click the video on your screen, and I will see you there.